Hey guys, it's Tom from Tentworld. Today behind me I've got the Blockout Shade Dome shelter from OZtrail. Let's go have a look. Alright, so it's got a full steel frame throughout it all, and it's also got a 75 denier cover here. It means it's going to withstand most of your weather elements when you're out and about. So adding on to the extra sturdiness with the steel frames, each four sides of the gazebo is going to come with these two guy ropes. These ones are actually heavy duty, so they're going to be that little bit more reliable. So pitching this can be done with one person. A bit difficult. It's definitely easier to do with two people or a couple of friends. You have a couple of people here, you can pitch this up in a few minutes. Cool, so having a look inside, this thing is designed to obviously block out the sun and block out the heat too, so it keeps it quite cool in here, and it does block out up to 98% of the UV rays. You'll see behind me, it comes standard with all of them. You get this sun wall, obviously put it on the side that the sun's shining in. This can be attached to any of the four sides of this shelter here. It's just going to help block out the sun even more. You look around every corner of it, you've got these little mesh pockets here, great to store your phone, water bottle, belongings, whatever you want, so it's off the floor. See above me here, you've got these zippers. You can get into the air vent here, just prop the top up a bit. It helps with the airflow and the ventilation just that little bit more in the shelter. If it is raining, obviously you're going to want to close all that off, and the shelter itself is about 1,000 mil water rated, so it can withstand light rain, but nothing too torrential. Thanks guys. Like always, if you have any questions, you can come visit one of our 15 store locations around Australia or chat to our online team. Happy camping.